Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss question number 2 and 3 of your brain teasers. The first part is 3282 multiplied by 213. So here put these digits in this format of multiplication and then start multiplying. Write 3282 like this, put a place for carryovers and multiply it by 213. Now start from the extreme right, that is from the digit at ones place. So it is 3, so 3 twos are 6, 3 eights are 24, 4, 2 carry, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So write 8 here, 3 threes are 9 and 9 here, right? Coming on to the second digit, that is the digit at tens place. But before moving to this digit, what do we have to do? We have to put a 0 at ones place. So mark 0, start multiplying. 1 twos are 2, 1 eights are 8, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. Next, coming to the digit at hundreds place, that is 2. So multiply it by 2. 2 twos are 4. But before doing that, put zeros at the places ones and tens. 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are 16. 6 1 carry. Now for doing that, always erase the carryovers of the previous digit and write 1 here. And 2 twos are 4. 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 threes are 6. So write 6. Now what do we do? The next step is we add these three. But before doing that, I want to mention here that you can fill these empty spaces by 0. You can see I have placed 0 over here. That means wherever you find the empty space, you can fill it by 0. But if it is convenient for you to do without these zeros, you can add without these zeros also. But if you find it difficult to add these three digits, so put 0 at the empty places. Now add these. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 0, 2 carry, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, 9, 1 carry, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 6 plus 0 is 6. So this is the answer. Now coming on to the next B part, that is 19,816 multiplied by 6. So again start multiplying because the single digit is there, so we will multiply with the 6 only. So start multiplying by digit 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 carry, 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 8 are 48, 8 4 carry, 6 9 are 54, 54 plus 4 is 58, 5 carry, 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is the answer for this multiplication. Now the C and D part are division questions, so we will follow, and the format of for division, so that is the division format for this is place the digits in this format and then start dividing, because here we are dividing 4172 by 26. So we will write the table for 26 at this side and then start dividing. So because 26 is a 2-digit number, so we have to start from 2 digits. So we will take 41 together and we will check out in the table of 26 the number equal to 41 or nearer to 41. That number is 26 ones are 26. So we will subtract it. The answer is 15. Now bring down 7. It will become 157. 26. Now check it out in the table of 26. The number nearer to 157 or 157. And so that number is 156, and 26 6 are 156. Subtract it. The answer is 1. Bring down the next digit, that is 2. It will become 12. Now because 12 is smaller than 26, So we are going to use a table of 0. So 26 zeros are 0. So 12 minus 0 is 12. Here quotient is 160 and remainder is 12. In the similar way, students, you can do the D part, and that is 14,865 divided by 15. So you all know the table of 15, so there is no need to make the table for 15, but if you want, you can write it in this side for your convenience, or you can do it directly also. So 15 is a 2-digit number, so again we will start with 2-digit, that is we will take 14 together, 1 and 4 together, so it is 14. But 14 is smaller than 15, so we are going to use the table of 0. 15 zeros are 0. 14, bring down 8, then we will check. Now it will become 148, and we will check in the table of 15 a number nearer to 148 or equal to 148 or nearer to 148, and that number is 15 nines are 135. So we will write 9 here and 135 here, subtract it. After subtracting, we will get 13. So bring down 6. Now again 15 nines are 135, because this is only the nearer number. This is only the number which is nearer to 136. So subtract it, you will get 1. Then bring down 5. 15 ones are 15. So answer is 0. Now here also, students, you can put 2 zeros or single 0 or cross in this place. All are correct ways. Write down the answer. Quotient is 991 and remainder is 0.